Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about overview of machine learning. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence that enables algorithms to uncover hidden patterns within dataset. It allows them to predict new, similar data without explicit programming for each task. This makes it useful for solving complex problems and creating smarter systems. The difference between traditional programming and machine learning are: in traditional programming, programmer writes rules, while in machine learning, model learns patterns from data. Traditional programming works well for fixed rules, while machine learning works well for complex or uncertain problems. The example of traditional programming are calculator and text software, while the example for machine learning are face recognition and spam email filter. How machine learning works. Firstly, raw data is collected from different sources. Then, the collected data is cleaned, corrected, and organized to make it ready for use. Key information or characteristics are identified and extracted from the data. A suitable algorithm is chosen based on the type of problem to be solved. Then, the chosen model is trained using the prepared data to learn patterns and relationships. After that, the trained model is tested on new data to measure its accuracy and performance. Next, the model settings are adjusted to achieve better results. Lastly, the final model is used to make prediction and applied in real-world situations. The advantages of machine learning are: automate tasks without constant human input, learns from data for better, reduce manual work and cost, and speed up decision. While the disadvantages are: need lots of quality data, requires powerful hardware and energy, raise privacy concern, and training takes time. The ethical consideration in machine learning are: model must treat all groups equally and avoid bias. Next, developers must take responsibility for the decision. Sensitive user data must be protected from misuse or exposure. Last but not least, model decision making must be clear and explainable.
Okay, so for application of machine learning, first in healthcare and medical diagnosis, where machine learning models are used to identify diseases like cancer, pneumonia, and also Parkinson from medical images. This often achieve accuracy comparable to or better than human doctors. Second is smart assistant and human-machine interaction, where voice assistant like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant convert spoken inputs into actionable comments. And chatbots, where businesses uses AI-powered chatbot for 24/7. So the third one is personalized recommendation and user experience, where streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify suggest shows and songs based on your watching and listening history. And the fourth one is fraud detection and financial forecasting, where bank uses machine learning models to detect unusual spending behavior and flag suspicious transactions. And the fifth one is autonomous vehicles and smart mobility, where vehicles have computer vision, which could recognize lane, pedestrian, traffic signals, and obstacles on the road. Next is challenges in machine learning. The first one is poor quality of data. Model accuracy depends on data quality, so if there's any error, missing values or noises, it will produce unreliable results. The second one is underfitting of training data. This happens when model is too simple that it misses some patterns. This will cause poor performance on both dataset and new dataset. This also happens when features or training are insufficient. The third one is overfitting of training data. Model learns the pattern, but it also learns the noises. So this results on excellent on training data, but it fails to generalize new data. The last one is imperfection algorithm when data grows. Accuracy drops when new data often changes. Old models may fail on new patterns. For example, fraud detection missing new fraud methods. And for my last slide is feature of machine learning on some categories. The first one is smart automation. For example, self-driving cars and intelligent robotics. The second one is global and social impact. The first is climate change prediction and AI in education. The third one is healthcare and medicine. First is personalized treatment, and the second one is AI-driven drug discovery.
I would like to present the parts of types of machine learning. There are two types of machine learnings, which are supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning uses label data like a teacher guiding a student. For example, it can classify emails as spam or not spam. There are two types of supervised learning, which are regressions predicts numbers such as house price, classification predicts categories such as the image disease or not disease. Unsupervised learning uses unlabeled data. It finds hidden patterns by itself. For example, it is uses in customer segmentations or movie recommendations. There are some differences between supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning uses labeled data and is more accurate, for example, optical character recognition. Unsupervised learning uses unlabeled data and discovers groups, for example, face detections. I would like to make a short conclusion for our presentation. In conclusion, machine learning helps systems learn from data and improve over time. It powers many fields like healthcare, finance, and education, and shaping the future of technology. Thank you.